Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, check your headphones, test them with another device to make sure that they're working, and try and inspect the port. So as you guys can see, we do not have a 3.5mm jack port here. All we have is a USB-C port, and it's a charging port, so make sure you either use a good adapter that works or that your headphones are not damaged. So after you inspect everything for either damage or maybe debris, then what you guys can do is turn off and turn on your KOBO. So press this little button here, there's a power button. It should be sleeping, so let me just hold it. And now it's powered off. Let's power it on back again. And I'm not exactly sure how long it would take, so I'll just keep on holding and hope it turns on. So it's turning on now, that's great. After that, what we can do is try another pair of headphones. So use another pair, not another device, but another pair, and test them if they're working on your KOBO Elipsa. If not, then what you guys can do is go over to more, then select settings, and here go to, no, it wasn't the accounts, it was the device information, it was the software version, and here you can select update check. Now it will check for any updates available, as you guys can see, and now it will say that your eReader is up to date. So it might fix the issue. If not, then try cleaning the port, as I said. Look for any damage or debris. And you can also check for hardware issues, because it may be the port that's damaged, and I would consider visiting a service center for a checkup. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.